Hello, this is Danny Blyth, Traditional Chinese Medicine, looking at a carrot and walnut pate recipe. Please pause and read this. Remember, this is for Chinese medicine practitioners and students only. So we peel and boil 2 carrots. We get 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. I used it raw, which gives you a nice garlicky aftertaste, and it's autumn, so it's that time of year, and the lungs need a bit of help, but you can cook it if you want it a bit milder. Half a cup of walnuts, small handful of fresh basil, season it, a tablespoon of olive oil into the blender and whiz it up. You might need to add just a little bit of water to get a nice consistency, like a hummus-like consistency, and then a bit of paprika to make it look nice. So carrots are sweet, hence nourishing, and they enter the spleen and the lung. So they strengthen the spleen qi and the lung qi. They're neutral, which makes them an excellent gentle food. Being sweet and neutral and entering the liver, they also help to regulate liver qi, and they can gently clear heat and heat toxin from the system. Walnuts are sweet and warming. They enter the kidney and lung, and they tonify the kidney yang, and they also aid the kidneys in grasping the lung qi. And they also warm the lungs and are good for the chest. Their oily nature makes them very good to nourish the yin, and they enter the large intestine, so they nourish the bowels as well. And they're also thought to be very good for the brain. They look like little brains. So a great, easy and nourishing pate with some garlic to help the digestion and help the lungs. So there you have it, great as a dip or as a filling, or great as a tapas.